HTS automatically prepares simulation systems of multiple protein-ligand complex structures in a high-throughput manner to facilitate structure-based drug design. To use HTS, you must first complete the PDB Reader, Solution Membrane Builder, and Ligand Reader and Modeler projects in advance. In the PDB Reader step, you should prepare a reference protein-ligand complex structure that will serve as the basis for building multiple complex systems. In the Solution Membrane Builder step, you need to generate a solution or membrane system using the same force field as was used in the PDB Reader step. In the Ligand Reader and Modeler step, you must not select the Align Uploaded Ligand S to the native ligand from the PDB Reader project option. Instead, you should upload ligand files that are already docked within the reference protein structure and then generate force field parameters for them. All three projects must be properly prepared to enable HTS to automatically generate simulation input files for multiple protein-ligand systems. Now, when you actually start HTS, in the first step, you enter the project title. Next, you select the force field used in the Solution Membrane Builder. The list of completed projects will appear, and you can select the desired project and submit. In Step 2, you select the force field option used in the Ligand Reader and Modeler project. You can then choose the project generated with that option. Next, you select the desired ligands from the uploaded list, set the MD engine and HMR options, and submit. Once all settings are complete, you can review a table displaying information on the multiple complex systems generated from the uploaded ligands and download the MD simulation input files for each system.